Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video on the one, the only Dogelon Mars. Now, my beautiful friends, we have seen a lot of fear going around in the markets, especially in the comment section. A lot of you guys are freaking out. I saw a comment that said crypto is done. Guys, this is how I know that the big money this is exactly what they want. They want to see people panicking and fearing, okay? People are going to be pooping themselves right now, and they are. Just look at the comments of the previous videos. People are questioning their investment decisions because they are emotionally unstable and invested money that they are not willing to lose. First of all, the reason why you invest money you are not willing to lose, or you are willing to lose, is so you don't get emotional. The only reason you'll be freaking out at this moment is because you invested money you are not willing to lose, okay? That's the first rule of investing. Not financial advice, simple opinion from a crypto billionaire. I do this for a living, and I've seen this over and over again. This is cycles all over, and it's crazy that I'm here to open your mind. So try to listen to me with an open mind. I know your emotions can cloud my judgment sometimes based on some of the comments I've been seeing. But guys, I am here to help you guys out. I am here to help you make the best not financial move, but the best move for me. So hopefully you guys can follow along. I am not a financial advisor. This is simple opinions from a crypto billionaire, okay? But I am here to help you guys to make the best moves you can and stop freaking out. This is a good thing. This is a good thing. As much as you think it's not because you're down right now, this is a good thing. People who cannot withstand the losses, the red days, they do not deserve the green days, all right? You got to realize that. Crypto is not over. It is simply retracing. We are down 17%. That is a beautiful thing. Oh my goodness. I love that. Now, we are testing these 10 levels. Now we want to see some support nearing these 10 levels. Okay. I saw a comment saying, I go over Bitcoin a lot. And yes, I do go over Bitcoin a lot because this is the baseline of what is happening in the overall market. If Bitcoin goes to zero, everything else will go to zero as well, okay? Realize that. If Bitcoin goes to 1 million, everything else will go to a lot, 1,000, 2,000x as well, because this is the main source of institutional investment, big money, allocating a percentage of their portfolio into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin is driving it right now, simply because the market cap is over half of the total market cap of the entire crypto market. It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. All right, into this analysis, we are testing these 10 levels right now. We want to see, first of all, we want to see Bitcoin show some support around these $35,000 levels. If we see that, then these 10 levels, we will also want to see it show support around these 10 levels to the bottom of these 9 levels here. So that's the range we're looking at for Dogelon Mars within the coming days if Bitcoin consolidates around these $35,000 levels. If it continues to drop to these $30,000 levels, then we need to watch these levels here. We want to watch the 7s down to the 5s, okay? 7s to 5s if it drops down to the $30,000 level. And it's a beautiful thing, my friends. I have been averaging in since this first dip, averaged in here, continued to average in here, continued to average in here, and I am averaging in based on if we consolidate around these $35,000 levels, because it will be a beautiful thing to average more in around these 7 levels, 5 levels, 6 levels, if we get that lucky to go that low, all right? You got to look at this as a long-term play. First of all, you don't want those 35% short-term capital gains taxes on your crypto, okay? That is trash. You do not want that. You want to hold over a year to make that 15%, all right? Now, second of all, if you're day trading, then you want to drop time frames and look into the hourly charts, because right now you could be shorting and making a lot of money. Shorting means you're betting that the stock will go down, and in order to get into a short position, right now is a beautiful thing. I'll show you why. It's simple. It's simply about support and resistance. Boom, you have a resistance here. It breaks below that, short it. See how the level 2 acts here. If more buyers are stepping in, if big orders are coming in, take some profits. If not, if you see the seller stepping in, just push it down lower, put a more short position in, and then you can ride it down until you see some institutions step in on the level 2 and push it higher, and then you can take your profits and move on to the next one. That's day trading. That's what I teach in the crypto course. If you're interested in that, leave the link in the description. But right now, we want to watch and see if Bitcoin holds around this fake out level right here. This fake out level. 38. All right. Now 35 is the low range. I did draw a rectangle. It's from 38 to 35, and I'll show you guys exactly why and how I got that range of support. If we consolidate between the $35,000 levels and the $38,000 levels in Bitcoin, then we want to see Dogelon Mars catch support around these 8 levels if Bitcoin decides to drop to these $35,000 levels. Once we see that and it breaks back through, we want to judge the market sentiment, because right now the news all of you beautiful people in the Patreon, you guys are sitting pretty, and I hope you're taking my advice. Last post I said, do not listen to the news because it will be very negative right now. Whenever the market goes down, continues to go down, the news comes out to be very negative, and that's how you know we are reaching a low. Whenever there's blood in the streets, buy. Now, get all that human emotion out of your head, okay? If you trade with emotions, don't watch this channel. You're not going to make money in these markets, okay? Watch this channel if your mind is open and you can realize that there's only one way to make money, and that's through technical analysis and observing other people's emotions. You got to do the opposite of the crowd. And right now, the crowd is very fearful that crypto's a scam, crypto's over with. Literally, I saw a comment that said crypto is over with. And we are still in an uptrend, guys. Look at this trend line. We are still making higher lows, but crypto's over, my friends. We've seen 10% down day. My beautiful friends, it's okay. It's okay. We have seen this in the past, and I'm very passionate about this. I want to get this through some of your guys' skins, because I feel like you have your guard up, really up. And right now, it is you're pretty much. Remember when I talked about how your brain validates the things that you think is correct? Right now, you're only going to look for information that validates your assumption that crypto is over, if you're thinking that. And that's what I'm here to do. I'm here to push through that stupid layer that you have of emotional blockage and let you know that it's okay. Dips are normal. Do not let this get to your head, okay? Do not. Within 50 years, we should see 14 to 17 bear markets in our lifetime, my friends. If we are so lucky to get in a bear market right now, it's a beautiful thing. Very beautiful thing. Okay. That's all I got for you guys. Anyway, no, it's not all I got, but this is what we want to look out for. So if Bitcoin consolidates around the $35,000 to $38,000 levels, we want to watch and see Dogelon Mars show some buying pressure with volume in these 8 to 10 levels. Okay, my beautiful friends? Now, for us to catch some support around these 10 levels, it will be quite difficult unless Bitcoin also decides to catch some support around this trend line that we are seeing here around these $37,000 or $38,000 levels, continuing to make higher lows. If that shows, then it's a beautiful thing. We have seen some volume step in, some selling pressure, because remember what I said? A lot of people, once it breaks through this $40,000 level, their stops are going to be triggered, okay? That's what this big red candle is. It's their stops getting hit. I told you guys this in the last video. The stops are getting hit right now. So what we want to watch for is another green candle indicating all the buyers stepping back in to get this discounted price. All right, that's what we want to look for. In the coming days, I will alert you guys in the Patreon. My beautiful friends, stay patient. Have patience. Stay level-headed. Don't think about the money. The money comes secondary, okay? It's about the technical analysis. It's It's about making the correct decisions. If you make the correct decisions, then money follows. It's just about anything else in life. If you focus on the money, you're going to be stressing about it and you won't make as much. If you focus on the game, then the money comes secondary. And we're just playing a game, my friends. It's an emotional cycle in these markets. Only the strong win. And all of you beautiful people that come out the other side with me, I'm gonna love you, you're gonna love me, and we're going to Bali. I already told you guys this. We're gonna go skydiving in Bali, my beautiful friends. Crypto billionaire 69. Stay patient. Have a beautiful day, and HODL to Mars, my friends. Peace.